Hey everyone, it's Caitlin B and welcome back to my channel. If you guys didn't know by now, I am filming almost every single day of December leading up until Christmas. Today's video, I thought it'd be fun to switch it up from just my day-to-day vlogs and give you guys a holiday baking video. I'm super excited about this. I'm just gonna say I kind of suck at baking. It's just not my strong suit, but we tried. So today I went to my Pinterest board, which is plant-based meals. You guys should go follow me on Pinterest. I'm always posting everything from my style, plant-based meals, home decor. I have so much home decor, you guys. It's probably my favorite thing ever. But today we are making vegan peanut butter kisses. These cookies have been my favorite since I was a kid, but I never loved the Hershey Kiss that was on top. Am I the only one? I don't know. So if you guys make this, definitely let me know in the comments below and give this video a thumbs up, and let's get on to the recipe. Start by chopping up vegan dark chocolate chips and setting aside. In a small saucepan, combine full-fat coconut milk from a can with vanilla extract and heat on medium to high heat just until the edges start to bubble. Grab your dark chopped up chocolate and pour the coconut mixture on top, and you're gonna wanna wait and just let it sit for about 2 minutes. Then you can start by gently stirring the mixture so that all the chocolate melts. This can take a couple of minutes. Once combined, cover and pop in the fridge while you work on the cookies. For the dry ingredients, combine flour, baking soda, and salt in a medium bowl and whisk to combine. Moving on to the mixer, you're gonna wanna add coconut oil, peanut butter, brown sugar, and cane sugar, and mix for about a minute. Ba-dum, boom, 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 boom. Then add in your unsweetened applesauce, water, and vanilla extract and mix for another 30 seconds. At this point, start slowly incorporating the dry ingredients into the wet. Now add some cane sugar into a separate bowl and we're gonna start rolling the cookies, which is so fun. If you have a small ice cream scoop, that is always ideal, but just a little larger than a tablespoon also works. And then you're gonna wanna start rolling it into the bowl of sugar. Place on a lined baking sheet and gently press your thumbprint into the center. You may need to help out the sides here a little bit so that the chocolate doesn't spill out like crazy later. I made mine way too big because I was eyeballing, so don't be like me. Mine turned out whack and you will see that in a little bit. Yummy! When they're done, we're going to bake for about 20 minutes so that they're golden brown. As you can see, mine flattened out way too much because they were so big, but you can do better than me, okay? Okay. To finish these off, take out your chocolate filling and scoop into a sandwich bag with a small hole cut from the corner so that you can easily pipe the chocolate into the center of each cookie. You can totally just spoon them in there as well if you want to do that, or if you have a more fancy little way of doing this, but this works. Sprinkle sea salt onto the chocolate to finish these off. Flake sea salt is for sure the best, but I didn't have any, so Himalayan pink salt, here we go. I wish everyone could taste these. They taste even better than I remember. No one would ever know these are vegan, you guys, so go fool everyone in your family. Mwahaha. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this holiday baking video. If you guys want more holiday baking videos, I have another cookie in mind that I've been really wanting to make, so definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and letting me know in the comments below. Again, let me know if you do end up making these cookies. Take a photo, send it to me on Instagram, and I will definitely post it on my stories. I love seeing when you guys recreate. Obviously, make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you have not, and catch up on all my Vlogmas videos. I will link the playlist down below. It's a good time. We are posting so many videos this month. Other than that, I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah!